Good morning, good morning. Okay, another vlog, another mag-excursion ang Balderas family sa ilog. Yep, you heard it. Where are we going?
We're going to Tijuana, happiest place on earth.
Okay, we're going to Tijuana. Pupunta kami sa tabing ilog. We're going to the river. We're going to San Gabriel River. San Gabriel is Fork. This is gonna be our first time to go there. We're gonna expect too much people because it's weekend today. Are you ready for another adventure?
Yeah, today the Dodgers are playing the Yankees, and today is the FIFA World Cup champion.
Oh my goodness.
Argentina against Spain.
Yeah, good luck. We're not going there to watch a FIFA or Dodgers or whatsoever, okay?
Yes, I am.
We're going there to swim. Kulit ni Luis. Enrique, say, tara na!
Tara na!
Okay, so dito kayo bibili ng National Forest Adventure Fast sa AM/PM sa may Azusa. Ayan. Okay, so here is the Arco AM/PM. Got your National Forest Adventure Pass here. So you don't get ticket when you park at the San Gabriel River. So this is ito yung itsura niya. Like this one. Daily pass. Yeah, over there. It's about 30 minutes from AM/PM from Arco gas station to San Gabriel River. So just make sure you have your pass. Ayan, naabutan pa tayo ng naabutan pa tayo ng tren. Oh my. So we're gonna wait maybe 15 minutes. Oh no! Oh, it's gone! Oh, saglit lang naman yata. Tingnan natin. Ayun, saglit lang pala. Oh. Okay, we're good. Look at this palm tree. Look at baby, how beautiful it is. It's nice. Look at baby, oh, palm trees. Wow. Dito na kami at as expected, ang dami na pong tao. Ayan. Kaya ba? Pwede naman. Oh. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, that's fine. Ano naman tayo, magkasama naman tayo.
Kaya ganyan yan dahil wala.
Hindi, mamaya mapupuno pa yan. Ang dami ng tao ngayon. Tignan mo, sabi ko sa inyo eh. Ang dami ng tao sa ilog. Ika, hanap muna tayo ng maganda. Ayun yun, may rockpool na yun. Okay, doon yun. Yun, sa mga ano. This is a good size. Here or here. Yeah. Yeah, they have a lot of rock pools here. Marami silang rock pools here, kaya maganda. Ang ganda.
Yeah, that's what it
Meron pa doon. There's another one over there sa bridge. Kaya lang di natin alam, baka puno na rin yun eh. So now we're gonna find a place. Kaya na lang, Han. Ayan, nandito na tayo. Let's go get the chair first. You wanna sit here? Here, come sit here, Bebe.
Where's Mommy Gavin? Where's Mommy Gavin?
They're coming. They're on the way. Baby, it's okay. Baby, it's okay. It's fine. Come on, sit down, Bebe.
Over here.
Huh?
Over here.
Baby, they will follow you wherever you go. Because this is their home.
Mommy.
Are you ready to swim?
Yeah, I'm ready to go.
Yeah, you're ready. How about you, Enrique?
Yeah, I'm ready to go swim again.
You too. But first, we're gonna eat breakfast, okay?
Yeah, because the current is too strong. What's the...
Ayan na ang mga bee. Ninanakaw na nila yung pagkain natin.
Oh, no!
They're stealing our food.
Ay, bakit maraming bee?
Eh, ganun talaga. Sis, nasa bundok tayo.
Ganun nga.
Oo. Kasi di ba bundok to? Sa camping nga marami yun. Okay lang yun. Okay, ano? Isn't it adventure? Is it? Ah, yeah.
Meron pa siyang kukunin.
Ha?
Ano pa kukunin niya?
Ni Luis? Meron pa ba? Wala. Yung isang isa pang paper bag na food. Yun na lang. Yung paper bag na lang
Na. What?
na food, yung food namin, mga adobo. Yun nga eh. Pero bawal talaga. Bawal talaga.
Kabababa lang, may gasol.
Yun nga lang.
Oo, siya lang.
Ito, may gasol doon.
Talaga?
Meron? Ayun, nagluluto doon.
Hindi, pero bawal talaga. Bawal. Kasi nga, cost ng wildfire eh. Wag tayo, iyaan mo na matigas ulo nila. Wag tayong maging kagaya nila. Bahala sila. Okay, yeah, it's breakfast time. So, ang ating mga food. Yeah, sinangag.
Yes.
Spam and egg. We have spaghetti here. Wow, and barbecue. Without
Yes.
the stick.
With stick pa yan.
O, diba?
May rice din
Ano,
tayo.
kaya na tayo.
Ito mga...
Kaya na tayo, sis. That's it. Asan na sila?
What's this? Ako, pinaglag na.
Let's go! Ricky, let's eat breakfast muna. Come on, come on. And we're gonna pray first muna.
I'll pray.
Okay.
Ah!
Let's eat. Kain. Let's eat na.
So we're here at...
Ang init.
Where is it? What's
San
our...
Gabriel River is, I think this is East Port. Yeah. It's good weather.
Good weather here.
Excited
Mahal
na kami
yasang ka na.
Mahal yasang ka na. Late ka na naman.
Ba naman
Bayan,
yan?
lagi na lang. Oh. Hindi ka namin,
Walang signal.
ubusin na namin tong spam and sinangag. Bala ka dyan.
signal, babe.
Walang signal.
I know.
Boys, thank you. Thank you so much. My son, he's swearing na, oh. Pobrecito, asawa ko. Come on, here's your breakfast, oh. We also have some adobo here pala. Yeah. Adobong natuyo ang sabaw.
Sabaw, miss.
Pero mas okay na yan. Malinamnam naman yan. Kasi na-marinated. Kain na tayo. Ricky!
I'm blowing the crocodile.
Grabe.
Nakakatawa kami ni Sam. Ang dami na namin nakikita ang wet pa. Sari-sari. Busog na yung mga asawa namin eh. Si Sam, busit na rin. Oh. Ayan, dami na nakikita ang wet pa. Saan kayo dyan? Kain tayo. Yan. Yan pa lang ako mag-aalmusal alas 11 na. O, brunch na yan. Ito naman yung sukang alayolo. Sam, ito na yung isa sa ibebenta nyo ha. O, ayun na, dinadagdagan na natin yan. Tara, kain tayo. Kain muna tayo.
Paano siya nakaalis? O, imposible siyang umalis. Bili. Kasi,
Baka naglakad na lang.
sa may picnic lang.
Diba baka naman full kasi
Iba pala yun. Tingko pati.
Ang ganda ng view ko sa likod Kumakain ng tanghalian sa may tabi ng ilog. Juby! Ito na dito. Ayun sila yung Ricky. Ayan! Naliligo na sila. Nag-enjoy na sila doon. Andito na kami sa ilog! Andito na kami sa ilog. Ayan, naliligo na yung mga makukulat. Ang current naman dito. Oh, May! Wala pa rin si Mahalia. Wala na sila. Look at this! Wow! Ricky! Ricky! Sige. Maglangoy-langoy muna kayo dyan. Ang ganda dito. Ang lamig ng tubig. Look at this. Oops. Finally, andito na si Mahalia. Nakita na namin siya. Dito na kami magkakasama. After 3 hours. Joke. Pahinga naman ngayon kasi napagod na kami. Ayan, tignan. Tawa namin. Nagutom na ulit sila. I wanna go to the rock pool.
The what?
The big rock.
Oh, go right there.
It's not there. I think we have to walk further.
No.
Because this is more like shallow, no, only for kids. Ayun na yung mga bata. Okay, here are the kids. Enrique, hi Gerber. Let's go swim. Come on. Enrique. Come on. You wanna go under the water, Ricky? Come on. Oh my God. Ang lamig ng tubig. Come on, go, go. Go. Oh no. Rika. Lady. Wait. Gerber, you okay? Tingnan yung view, guys. Ang ganda dito.
This is
Relaxing mode. Ricky! Come here. Init? Sarap naman dito. Yeah, the water is cold, Basahin si Sam. Ito pa isa, yeah, basahin na yan, wali. Let's go, Meng! Come on! Come on, let's go! Dive in! No. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Go! Bye, Ricky! Maglalakad-lakad muna kami sa Maghanap kami ng pagkain.
Maghanap muna kaming kamote.
Hanap kami ng pagkain sa mga bata. Maghanap tayo ng isda. Ito nga yung popular, yung rock pool, yung big rock. Ayan yung big rock. Ayan yung anong yan, yung malaking yan. Ayan yung... Yan yung maganda. Oo, yan nga. Oo.
Kasi ka doon, sa malumot.
Ay, huwag ka malumot. Malumot tayo. Ayun o.
Ay, maganda nga dyan sa doon yung rock pool. Medyo malalim pa. Teka, hiramin natin yung ano, yung salvavida. Tatlo nga tayo doon. Magpapadaos-dos dyan. Kasya dyan? Kasya tayo dyan. Tara, sabihin po tayo. Tara, check natin. Let's go check. Ayan, mga adventurer. Puntahan natin yung mag-explore muna kami dito sa ilog.
Vicky! Vicky! Say hi! Hi!
We're at the popular big rock pool. Do you like this place? Do you like this place? Welcome back?
I want to stay.
Okay, go. Oh my God. Naglaro ang mga bata. Ayan. Videohan natin sila, Enrique. Papadaos doon sila doon sa Karen. Okay, you guys? I'll take some video, okay? And let's go, kids! Ayun, may nag-aabang na doon si Yolo. Go! Grabe. How about you, senor? You okay? Collecting some rocks? You're gonna make it smooth? Grabe. Sobrang init. Natinig ng araw. Item ka na. Yeah. I don't care. Look at this view. Okay.
Don't kick it!
Such a nice view here. Let's start packing up.
Ay, bunso ko kami.
Done. Let's go home.
Baby!
Okay, we're gonna start packing now.
Jerben, ano na?
Isa.
Sobrang tarik lang nitong dadaanan. Medyo matarik siya. Ang tarik. Exercise. Woo! Yan. Kaya siya katarik. Wah! Ang tarik niya. Pero, look at this view!